Hi everyone, this is Frank with Teaching University, and in this lecture today, we'll be going over the 5 rules on how to invest like Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is considered one of the greatest investors of all time because of his ability to invest in great companies at a discounted price. So, how is it that us average investors can invest like Buffett? By following some simple rules. Rule number 1, don't lose your money. Many investors lose money in the stock market because they treat it as a casino, making huge bets, hoping for that next big tech stock where they can make huge gains and get rich overnight. Sadly, this approach leads to huge financial losses and stress as a result. So, don't lose your money. Rule number 2, invest in companies and industries you understand. Buffett is known for investing only in companies that make sense to him. Coca-Cola, a hallmark Buffett stock, is a company Buffett has owned for years not only because of its strong fundamentals, but because he is a regular customer who enjoys the product. This is a reason why Buffett has avoided tech stocks for most of his career, and why only recently he has invested in Apple computers because of their superior products and services that give them a durable competitive advantage. Rule number 3, invest in companies with a durable competitive advantage. Companies that have a durable competitive advantage have products and services that make it difficult for other companies to duplicate. Apple Computers has become one of the most valuable companies in the world by offering high-end computer products that are second to none and have become the tech product of choice for many consumers. Coca-Cola is another company with a durable competitive advantage because of Coca-Cola's secret formula that makes Coke's unique flavor impossible to duplicate. Also, soda is soda, and more than likely people will still be drinking soda 100 years from now. Rule number 4, invest in companies with great leaders. When you think of Apple, Microsoft, Starbucks, or Virgin Atlantic, you think of not only their products, but of the leaders that made the companies what they are today. Buffett invests in companies run by visionary CEOs that have not only made their companies profitable, but are interwoven into our culture and have become part of our everyday lives. Finally, there's rule number 5. Be greedy when others are fearful. Most investors panic at the hint of the economic downturn and end up buying high and selling low, leading to losses and, of course, more stress. Buffett, on the other hand, looks forward to an economic downturn because that's when he can purchase a stock of great companies at a discounted price, so that when the market roars back again, he makes a handsome profit. You can follow me on Instagram, and please click on the like button on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you can get the latest lectures on personal growth, wealth building, entrepreneurship, and creativity. Thanks for watching Teaching University, and I'll see you in next class.